Welcome back to Speak Smart English. Listen and practice these 50 questions and answers between Emma and Jack. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a dog. What did you do last summer? I traveled to the seaside. Where do you like to spend time? I like to spend time at the library. What do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be an engineer. Where are you going after school today? I am going to the playground. What are you excited to learn next? I am excited to learn coding. What did you read yesterday? I read a science book. Do you have a favorite song? Yes, my favorite song is Imagine. How do you feel today? I feel happy. What will you learn tomorrow at school? I will learn about space. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Sarah. Do you enjoy singing? Yes, I love singing. Where did you have lunch yesterday? I had lunch at home. What are you planning to do this evening? I am planning to watch a show. Did you play a game last weekend? Yes, I played chess with my brother. What is your favorite subject in school? My favorite subject is math. Where would you like to travel? I would like to visit Japan. What did you do on your birthday? I had a small party. What are you thinking about right now? I am thinking about my homework. Did you visit anyone yesterday? Yes, I visited my aunt. What will you do after dinner tonight? I will read a storybook. Do you enjoy gardening? Yes, I like planting flowers. Who did you talk to on the phone yesterday? I talked to my cousin. What kind of movies do you like? I like adventure movies. Where did you go last evening? I went to the park. What will you buy on your next shopping trip? I will buy some snacks. How do you relax after a busy day? I listen to music. What did you see in your dream last night? I saw a big castle. What game will you play tomorrow? I will play basketball. Who do you admire the most? I admire my teacher. Do you prefer reading books or watching movies? I prefer reading books. What did you eat for dessert yesterday? I ate ice cream. Where would you like to live in the future? I would like to live by the sea. What will you learn in art class? I will learn to paint. Did you have fun at school yesterday? Yes, I enjoyed it a lot. How do you help at home? I help by cleaning my room. What book will you read next? I will read a mystery novel. Do you enjoy going for walks? Yes, I enjoy evening walks. What did you find interesting today? I found a cool bug. What will you do on your next birthday? I will have a picnic with friends. Who is your favorite superhero? My favorite superhero is Spider-Man. What is the most exciting thing you've done? I rode a roller coaster. Where do you see yourself in 10 years? I see myself in college. Did you meet anyone new last month? Yes, I met a new classmate. What do you usually do on Sundays? I like to relax and watch TV. How do you feel when it's raining? I feel calm and cozy. What did you do on New Year's Eve? I watched fireworks. What kind of books do you like? I like fantasy books. What will you do on your next holiday? I will visit a theme park. Did you finish your homework yesterday? Yes, I finished it on time. What are you excited to learn next? I am excited to learn coding. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more exciting lessons. See you in the next video. Bye for now.